Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're all here. Today we're going to do another overview of this updated Vosteed button lock Raccoon. Then do a quick disassembly, see if we can see any differences, and then be done with it. First, I want to thank all the channel members. Thank you all so much. And thank any of you who come in to watch the knife and EDC content. I appreciate it more than you know. And I would be so inclined and so stoked if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. Come back and watch a video or two. It'd really help me out. So this is the Vosteed Racoon. They call it the Cleaver. I think of it more as a sheep's foot. This knife now has a lot of different variations, from an axis lock, style lock, to a top lock, or Trex lock I think they call it, to this button lock, which is one of my favorites. The button lock has got very well dialed detent, both the reverse flick or standard flick, has no lock bar issues, no stick, very, very stable. G10 handle, .14C28M blade, nice sharpening choil. Looks like we've got some steel liners in there, and a reversible recessed clip. So let's do a couple of real quick size comparisons. Cut a little paper, and then let's take it apart so we're not spending so much time. So it's going to be bigger than the bug out. It's going to be smaller than the Pair 2. So it is going to come in at roughly 7.5 inches with a 3 1/4 inch blade, 4 1/4 inch handle, where I like to grab it about 4.5 inches right here. However, if you want to grab it back, you've got 3 inches from here to here. And again, reversible clip, super slicey. This is the factory grind on it. Vosteed does a great job from the factory. Very nice jimping on the blade. You can really choke up on it if you want to. Just a delicious little slicer. But let's take a second and let's see what it looks like inside. See if we can get it apart and put it back together without losing our spring. And maybe this will help somebody else who's trying to take theirs apart. So we got a captive pivot. So we're going to go in from this side. Alright. Looks like I'm going to have some T6s. That's going to be the back one. Be the front one. I think that clip is going to have to come out. Much as I hate it, and I hate T6s, but what are you going to do? Maybe these didn't need to come out, but we'll find out. All right. Now I'm hoping I've got a T8 pivot, which I do. All right, here's where we got to be very, very careful. Okay. Okay. So that plunge got D-shaped pivot. Don't want that to fly out. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Got our dealy and our spring. All right. I need to get in touch with Steve and get some more skiff bearings because this looks like it would take 5 millimeters. But you've got your steel liners. I'm not going to take the other side apart. I'm going to lube it up, clean it up a little bit, clean off some of this Loctite. Clean off some of this G10. That didn't do much. It did. Alright, let's take this. Let's clean down in there. This white G10 does show dirt, doesn't it? Alright, put our stop pin back in. Get a little KPL original. Bearings are running pretty dry. That bad boy in there. Then I'm going to have to get that little guy stuck in there. Whoops. I think that goes in right there. Right there. Alright. Hold in there for just a second, baby. And then I think this goes over like so. And then that went, alright, that went under there. So what we want to do is pull this up, pull that down, Put it down in there. Let's see. This like so. And then like so. Damn it. Let's see here. Bear with me, kids. I gotta figure out, and I should have looked at it when it came out, which way this goes, because it looks like it's going to push out on either side. Let's try it this way. Didn't need to take those out. But I think we might be back in business for that little quick overview disassembly. Weird little screws. Tighten it up. Perfectly centered. Perfectly maintained. Guys, that is a non-skiffed but broken down Vosteed Racoon Cleaver. Easy to take apart. Just watch that spring. Guys, thanks for watching the content. Great knife. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. And always, choose debate, not hate. Be up. I love you all. Thanks, Joe Isabella. Peace.